we're going to go through the recovery equipment, and I want to take you through the shelf, and then we can discuss each individual item. Gloves, heavy-duty gloves, very important. As I mentioned already, especially if you're using the winch, if you're working with recovery equipment, always have gloves. It gives you better grip and it protects your hand. Very important. Then you will see we've got your kinetic strap, we've got your normal recovery straps, and we've got your winch extensions and tree trunk protectors. What are they used for? Kinetic strap, the benefit of that one is you put it to your vehicle on your recovery points, which we will go through just now. And the benefit of that is it's a rope that stretches, and it's got kinetic energy that pulls the other vehicle out of the mud or out of the position he's in, where he's stuck in the mud or sand or whatever the scenario may be. Then you've got your snatch straps that are normally your older fashioned type of things that are used for recovery. Very strong. They do have a little bit of give, but they are not as kinetic. They don't store as much kinetic energy, obviously, as your recovery kinetic strap. This strap from Ironman, for example, is rated in a 9,500 kilograms, and then the snatch straps are rated anything between 8,000 and 11,000 kilograms. So they are very sturdy, very strong, and can be used for correct recovery. Then I mentioned winch extensions, tree trunk protectors. What are they used for? Winch extension, very basic. It already tells you what it is. If your rope is not long enough or your cable is not long enough, you make use of the winch extension to get to the place you want to be. Or the tree trunk protector is if you want to do a recovery with a winch. It is not advised to loop the cable around the tree, because damage of the cable or the synthetic rope can occur. You've got a tree trunk protector that goes around the tree, protects it, and you hook it to that tree trunk protector. How do you hook it? Old-fashioned ways, your bow shackles. These are your traditional bow shackles. This is what most of the people know. Strong, work 100%. Nowadays, you've got soft shackles. It's a synthetic rope, and they are rated either to 14,000 or 17,500 kilograms. What's the benefit of a soft shackle? Weight. It's very easy to use. It's way stronger than a traditional one. If you look at the traditional bow shackles, they're rated to 4.75 tons only, where these are rated anything between 17,500 and 14,000. So way stronger, way lighter, easier to use. How do you attach these things? You either attach them to rated recovery hooks, like Ironman is selling a universal hook set where you can attach it to, or you can have, like on the tow bars, if you've got a detached tow bar, you can detach the part of the tow bar and put in the recovery hitch, and then you've got the bow shackle on there. And then obviously you've got dedicated recovery points, which we will show you in a later stage on the bull bars, where you attach these products. What is this round item I'm holding? Basically, the equivalent of this snatch block that's hanging right here. This is the old traditional snatch block. Basically, your one rope is attached towards the vehicle bumper, and the cable from the winch is looped around there, and it doubles up your strength of your winch. Nowadays, you've got the Snatch Rings. Way easier to use, nice to use with a bow shackle. This one attaches to your vehicle bumper with the soft shackle. Your winch cable goes through this recovery snatch ring, and you double up your winch power by having a pulley system in place. Easy to use, lightweight, doesn't take up as much space as your older traditional snatch rings and snatch blocks. So yeah, that is one of the items that Ironman also offer, is the high lift jack bumper lift kit. If you're stuck in mud or something, or rocks, and you want to pick some rocks or tree trunks or grass or whatever under your vehicle so that you can be recovered, or even your treads, which we will cover just now, this is a great addition. It hooks to your high lift jack, you hook it to your bumper. You will see on the Ironman bumpers we will cover Later on, there are special points where you can hook these things, and you can high lift your vehicle up, put things under there, like the recovery treads at the back of me here, or grass or stumps if you don't have anything like treads, and you can help recover yourself with the vehicle. As I said, always very important to make use of dedicated recovery hooks that are rated for recovery, not your normal tow ball, please. So yeah, that's in short just your basic recovery things. I think we can later on show the physical recovery in the bush, and we can show you how it's done safely.